Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today something very easy, always is easy. Beef fillet tartare. Easy. We need a little joint of fillet, this is 300 grams. I make this tartare in my way because the tartare we have a lot different. This is Piero's tartare. But again, we need a little bit of fillet, 300 grams, capers, a lemon for some juice, anchovies. That's it, nient'altro. And we have to, the part where the long gonna be cut it. You need a sharp knife and do like this. Cut in it like this. Later straight like this. Like this. And try to put all together and fine. If you find some nerve, take it off. You know, like this. Stuff like this. Guys, you have to cut all fillet like this, and plus we have to put again inside like this and cut. Guys, now I'm going to cut all the meat, and I show you later the next step. Okay guys, you see, you have to cut, gonna be like ground mince by knife, you know, fine as possible. And now we cut a lemon. Enrico gonna help me to squeeze this, and we start to put some capers inside, some anchovies like that, and chop it. Oh, the smell! Very important is some nice salt. For this I use Maldon. It's good salt. Nice black pepper. This gonna be like, I don't know, 20 minutes. Some lemon, not too much, just some lemon juice like that. And again, capers. The anchovies I put in 300 grams, 8 little fillets, and that's it. And 2 teaspoons of the capers, okay? Now chop it, I'll show you later another step, okay? Guys, you know, it's ready. A little, again, touch of salt and pepper. Always guys, if you like this video, you can share with a friend. If you like, subscribe. You can check our website, cookwithanitalian.com. And the tartare is almost ready. A little touch of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I use from my cousin in Puglia. The tartare is ready, guys. You need a nice glass of wine, if you like, of course. And it's time to try it. Wow, it's absolutely wow, delicious. I think need a little bit more lemon juice. It's perfect. Okay guys, the fillet beef tartare is there. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao! Ciao ciao!